I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your pomade back to the original condition. I left mine opened and I'm so dumb for doing that, and it's like really dried right now, like dried out, like I can't even use it, like there's nothing, see, nothing at all. So I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be adding some oil to it. The oil that I'm going to be using is this organ oil, and this is just a sample of organ oil that I've got. You could get like these organ oils from any beauty supply stores, or you could use coconut oil, but normally you'd have to like melt the coconut oil to get it to the liquid condition, because most of them come in like a solid condition. So I'm just going to be, oh, I gotta open this. So I'm going to open this. I'm just gonna poke it. Okay, I poked it because I want like, I'm just poking a hole in there because I want little drops to come out of it, because I don't want a lot of the oil to get in here. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be adding some oil. Oil, come out. So I'm just gonna be damping some oil in there, and I'm just gonna be using little by little. And because it's so hard, I'm going to be using this. You can use like a knife. This is just like the closest thing that I have nearby. You can use like a knife or a spoon or a fork, but I'm just going to be using this. Just it's like really hard. So like just to turn it around. Hey, get back in there. See, that little bit of oil that I used worked. Please don't use a lot of oil because it would ruin this. And this is Anastasia Beverly Hills, girl, and I paid a lot of money for this. So I was like, ain't no way in heck I'm going to throw this away. So you see, I'm just mixing it around, and then what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to try to like tap it back down. I should have used a paper instead of my hands. So like now it's back and creamy and it's not hard anymore. And I'm just gonna close this up, and I'm about to be using this anyways because I'm about to do my makeup, and I just saw that I left it open and it got hard. So that's just all you have to do.